Rachel, and I'm going to show you the many uses for Slipstick's new bumper and soft dots range. They come in a 194-piece variety pack with 8 different protectors, offering great value. There are hundreds of different uses for these bumpers, whether it be protecting cabinet doors from slamming shut, drawers from closing noisily, or surface protection. They are super simple to install. Just peel off the backing, being careful not to touch the adhesive, and then apply to the surface. Clear bumpers for cabinets and drawers to stop noise and give a soft close. Install on the base of vases, knife blocks, or any item that needs protection or surfaces that you don't want damaged. Felt dots for sliding, cork dots for cushioning, foam dots for noise dampening, all of them protect surfaces and can be used on doors or walls to stop damage and noise. So many different uses around the home, how many will you find? These Slipstick bumpers and dots are premium quality and are guaranteed not to fall off. 194 pieces and 8 different sizes, all backed by Slipstick's 1-year warranty.